government chef, and members of the Ghana Traditional Council, I wish to welcome you all to the government chef palace. Before we proceed with the program, I want to introduce to you, Your Excellency, the members of the Ghana Traditional Council. I'm going to start with the Ulama, the royal priest. First, we have Nadia, Numo Papa Mensa the third, Nadia Ulama, followed by the Sakumo Ulama, Numo Ugami the third. Then we have Yomo Kole, Numo Kain the first. Then we have the Otudomo Manche, Nido Saki, the second. When we move on, we have the Simpe Manche, also the Mangal of the Ghana State, Ni and the Tutinto, the second. Ni Ahelemu, the third. Then we have Akamadi Manche, Ni Aikai, the third. Then we have the Gan Asafache. Gan Asafache, can you show your hands? Then we have Justice Nadia Le Sakode Mensa. Then we have to go back. Then we have His Royal Majesty, King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II. So I'll hand over to Justice Nadia Le Sakode Mensa to continue.
Your Royal Majesty, King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II, and Honorable Chiefs and Priests, everyone here present, good morning. I want, on behalf of His Royal Majesty once again, and on behalf of the Ghana Traditional Council, welcome everybody, especially our distinguished visitors, to this morning. It's a very important program this morning. This morning we are grateful to have our Ambassador, Her Excellency Dr. Erica Bennett, who is the Ambassador for Diaspora Affairs, and our other Ambassador, Ambassador Nancy Quality, our own Nancy, who is the Tourism Ambassador for ECOWAS and the President of Women in Tourism in Ghana. They are a woman who is an African, by the way. She doesn't look it, but she's an African. She's Libyan. And she said she's heard a lot about what we are doing in the Ghana Traditional Council, especially what His Royal Majesty has so far done to bring peace and stability to the Ghana state. They want to acknowledge that. They want to acknowledge that and give our king a special citation. Our visitor is in the person of Nadia. Nadia is the president of Miracle Africa International Foundation, which is based in Geneva. But this morning, she is coming to present the award on behalf of World Voices for Peace. This is endorsed by the Nobel laureates. They have endorsed this award. And I want to emphasize that our king, His Royal Majesty, King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II, is the first monarch to receive this very special award. And I think he deserves a big clap.
We now call on the Nadia Numo Papa Mensa to take us through libation.
when I see too much, me want to know, tonight, it's a more college, until what is the voice when I do my phone, but when I do not tell what I did, so tell you, they're gone oil. Then he will, there must be a many people may now fear and you quality twin. But one of your twin, and when I remember seeing a home. Come and room. Me, I could them. No good any honey fake kind. Number one back and you know, I became often I feel for my difference or God for me. You know, I know I'm in one of my I'm nothing. You can't remember feeling. If any car, a value gun here, and we come on. Shouldn't take home. Tell me, friend, you'll be you'll be fine. You need to remember for Gavara. You need to work at the other minute for me. No fear about film when I've been which is I know me again. Many body back up numbers. People have been finished from a profit with 12 million.
Invite Her Excellency the Ambassador to give us a statement. So with a clap of him.
Good morning, Your Majesty, the God Council, Justice Julia, Ambassador Sam, all protocols observed. We are here today, and we're honored to be here today. I am Ambassador Erica Bennett. I am the head of mission for the Diaspora Africa Forum. We're the only embassy of its kind in the world dealing with the two types of diasporians. Our role is to support the African Union in encouraging diaspora participation in the development of Africa. There's two types of diasporas. There's my group, taken from slavery. We're considered the historical diaspora. Ambassador Sam's group and Justice Julia's group, those who have left Africa for work, study, or greener pastures, they're considered the continental diaspora. The heads of states understand now, to move Africa forward, we've got to include the diaspora. This project that we're bringing, the honor that Her Excellency Nadia will be presenting to His Royal Majesty, is one of the things that we're very happy about, is to acknowledge what's happening in Africa from our diaspora. She doesn't look like a Libyan, but she is truly, truly an African. Her Miracle Foundation, we've done a lot of work together in terms of, we're here doing a sports, education through sports project. We're doing that now with the Beecham Foundation. And we're giving scholarships to young athletes to educate themselves as well. So that's just one of the projects that we're doing together. But today is a very special day, Your Royal Majesty. We're just honored to come and to celebrate you. Before I sit down, I have to let you know that one of your supporters, Dr. Tony Luck, is my sister. So we come from a family who really appreciate very much what you're doing. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we'll proceed by inviting Your Highness, Nadia, okay, right to us.
Yes, it's such an honor for me to be here, and thank you for this wonderful scenery that I see, which is not frequent for me. I'm very happy to be here, and thank you so much for receiving me to give Your Majesty this wonderful award, well-deserved Peace Award. So I will read it, what's going to be written, and it's the only kingdom so far that it has been given to. So, in recognition of his undaunted leadership, unfailing loyalty to the practice of peaceful progress, and his unwavering dedication to provide an environment of well-being for the betterment of the lives of his citizens and those sojourning within the borders of the Ga state by ensuring families, kindred, and tribes of the Ga people are united in harmonious coexistence. Thank you so much.
My name is Ambassador Mantse, a coordinator and a member of the Diasporan Embassy. Before Our Excellency presents you with the award, we want to present our schnapps, which signifies that we are really in the palace. So please, Your Royal Highness, accept our drink. Thank you.
Shall I read it again? In recognition of his undaunted leadership, unfailing loyalty to the practice of peace progress, of his unwavering dedication to provide an environment of well-being for the betterment of the lives of his citizens and those sojourning within the border of the Ga state by ensuring families, kindred, and tribes of the Ga people are united in harmonious coexistence. His Royal Majesty.
I just want to add, Your Majesty, that this award is given by Nobel laureates. So it's a very, very prestigious. And this kingdom is the first kingdom, as Nadia said, that's receiving it. So we really, really want to say congratulations, and the world will know about this.
Thank you. You're welcome.
And now it is time for His Royal Majesty King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II to say something to all of us, the moment we have been waiting for. Thank you.
Hello, Chairman Cabinet. Jasuma, Bonnie, in Tackie Teiko Tsuru. Yomo Yona, my friend, Yomo, Jasuma. Hello, Chairman Cabinet.
Mother affairs, Sophie, but as you may know, Lumona, Mutumone, in the council definition, in the institution, near to the ocean, the Agorash, the accommodation, Bulo, the Pioneer, and Iowa, Sapmore, Bulo, my family, when I feel the ambassadors, they could them say, they could Canada, hello, I'm from here, West Africa, Nadia ECOWAS, Nadia Ambassador Son, Ambassador Bernard, Nadia Diaspora Ambassador, go on and get me a nation. We go to India, the Machu, India, not coalition to the election. Then to the Rama, just Shiva. One day of attaching Nabeshi, Mantse, Wuji, me, Amadenje, Amadumano, Nomi, ni Awa, no Juba, she, Amakeni, Council Mefe, Echaya, Haka, she Eleanor, Ishite, she. Good morning, ambassadors, your excellencies. What I was trying to say in Ghana, which I think you have to learn very soon, is that we're very grateful, myself and the whole chiefs of the council, the Wulomoy, the Satwacheme, and everybody who is here present. We also want to thank Justice Salvador Mensah, who is also Chief of Staff of the Justice. We thank you very much for considering us worthy of this award. The Ghana state has evolved, and we are about to change our narrative. Because we believe, just like Dr. Quentin Abram said, that you educate a male child, you educate an individual, you educate a female child, you educate the whole nation. We have an agenda to promote the young girl child through school, through enrollment, to equal that of boys in her transition, in her enrollment, in her achievement, and in her completion. And in the transition, if she falls out of school, we're looking at having training schools, entrepreneurial schools, and vocational schools to inculcate skill and development in this child. We believe that this child is the base and foundation of everything that we call peace today in the world. Empowerment of that child is prime to us right now, and is our major agenda as a Ghana state. We also know that there are essence of teenage pregnancy. When there's this happens, we would want to be sure that pregnancy is managed so that after she's taking seed or she's given birth, she can continue school from there. We are talking at the prevalence rate of the fetal alcohol syndrome, where we believe that we must do something and intervene. Otherwise, the livelihood of the young girl child will go extinct if we don't intervene. So we are calling you as partners, as you're ready for peace. We believe that peace and its whole fact depends on understanding. Education is a key, because if you're not educated and you do not know what it is that runs this world, there's absolutely no way there can be understanding. And if there's no understanding, there's no peace. We are inculcating into these children peace, understanding, the build-up of self-value, promoting basic family value systems that will ensure that we shall continue to be peaceful from here. That's why I said, Ghana is evolving. Gentlemen,
Your Honor, Majesty, and our distinguished chiefs and priests, and all of you here present, this brings an end to our today's program, and I want to stand on behalf of His Royal Majesty and the chiefs and all the priests and all the elders and everyone here present to say thank you very much for your presence here this morning to come and witness this very historical and prestigious event.